Hi, I'm Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. Every year about this time of year, it seems to me I get a lot of emails and a lot of phone calls about, hey, what should I get my husband or my wife, my son or my daughter that is Luthier related? Well, that's a very good question. And let me see if I can shed some light on that. Anything that has to do with setup or fretwork, you can't go wrong. I've got some tools here on my bench I'm going to show you that perhaps will give you some ideas for those last minute gift ideas. One of the tools that I probably use the most is the LMI string height gauge. I love this tool. Digital readout, millimeters, inches, fractions. Place it over the string at the first fret, push the plunger down, it measures the distance between the bottom of the string and the top of the fret. It allows you to accurately dial in that action at the 12th fret and at the nut. If you need to adjust the action, then the nut files, and LMI offers a variety of different types of nut files, and they correspond to the correct string diameter of the set of strings that you're using. If you want to take it a little bit further with the fretwork, then the fret recrowning files that LMI offers. If you want to check the levelness of the frets, the precision triangle. If you need to pound one in, you need a hammer, LMI fret hammer. If you want to take it even further, the bridge pin reamers. They come in a 3-degree or 5-degree taper, depending on which set of pins you're using. And that way you can accurately set up the taper on the bridge pin and allow the bridge pins to seat properly. This little tool right here is probably the one that is the most important, in my opinion. A large portion of my business throughout the years is just fixing cracks because people forgot to properly humidify their instruments. So this is a humidifier for your instrument. It's just a garden hose, basically, a piece of rubber hose with holes drilled in it and a sponge inside there. You fill it up, wring out the excess, towel off the moisture on the side so it doesn't drip inside the guitar, put it inside the guitar or other instrument you have, and voila, you can help maintain the humidity in that instrument. Very, very important and often overlooked. So any of these items are great for players and for builders alike. So I hope this gives you an idea. I wish everybody a Merry Christmas, all the best in the Happy New Year, and happy building.